Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Rabo Bank account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Rabo Bank account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address rabobank.com like this, and hit on enter. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Rabo Bank like this. And after landing over here guys, in order to log into your Rabo Bank account, at the top right corner of the page you can see the login button available for us over here just below the search. Click on that login button like this. And after landing over here, you can see when you scroll down, either you can log into your Rabo business banking or the internet banking account. If you have a business account on the Rabo, you can click on the Rabo business banking, click over there, and you'll be directed to a page where you can log into your business account, but we'll be logging into the internet banking account. And over here guys, you can see this is a QR code. If you want to log into your account, you can also log in using the Rabo scanner on the mobile app on your phone, but we'll be logging into the reader comfort zone from over here by clicking on this button. You can see logging using the Rabo scanner and logging using the QR code and the Rabo app. We'll be logging in from over here. So it's your account number over here like this, and after that it's your card number with which you have signed up for, which enter your card number which the Rabo Bank account has given you, and after that enter your login code over here like this. But if you're getting problems logging in, or if you have forgotten your login code or your card number, you can always go to the help with logging in page by clicking over there, and you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your account details. With that being said guys, after entering your account number, your card number, and your login code, the login button will be available to you like this in orange. Click on the login, and then you'll be signed into your Rabo Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.